This is the 8th video. We're looking at solutions for the handout using the lens equation worksheet 1. Question 5 reads, a 4 centimeter tall object is placed 4 centimeters in front of a diverging lens with focal length 10 centimeters. So here's the information that we're given. We also have a negative value for the focal length or the focal point because we're dealing with a diverging lens. We have to calculate the distance of the image in question A here. So we have to rearrange our lens equation. Again, in order to isolate 1 over di, we have to subtract both sides, or subtract do from both sides. Alright, and of course when we rearrange this thing, it becomes 1 over f subtract 1 over do equals 1 over di. We flip it, of course. No problem at all here, because it doesn't matter how you really write it here, it means the same thing. So 1 over di equals 1 over f, subtract 1 over do. And now we can substitute our values here. So we're going to put in minus 10 for f, and for do we're going to put in 4. So 1 over di, when you put this into your calculator, 1 divided by negative 10, of course, is going to give us negative 0.1, and 1 over 4 becomes 0.25. Let's shift this board just a little bit. And then this sort of 0.25 subtracted from negative 0.1, you're going to get an answer. And we'll consider doing the inverse at the same time as well. You're going to get an answer of negative 0.35, and of course to get rid of the 1 over di, we just find the inverse of that. We'll just flip it. And when you plug this into your calculator, you're going to get an answer of minus 2.86 centimeters.